In this Knorish review, I'm going to walk you through the software itself. I'm going to show you everything you need to know step by step. But what is actually Knorish? Okay, Knorish is actually a software where you can actually create and self-course, bundle the memberships and webinar for your own branded website and also mobile apps. You can actually grow your business with sales funnel, drip content, blog posts, email reminder, and also promo codes. And who is actually the best person to use Knorish? And if you are a coach, content creator, influence business that wants to sell their expertise using Knorish platform. So without wasting much time, let me show you how to use Knorish itself. Okay, so what you're actually looking at is the interface for Knorish. Okay, and you can actually see in the center, there's actually the the quick access here. Okay, so what you can actually do here in the quick access is create your first course, build your website, personalize your domain name, upload your custom branding, create your terms and policy document, add other additional functionality, learn how to launch your course, learn more and ask questions. Okay, and in any case, if you want some basic tutorial or common question, you can actually tap into here. You can actually see the video. So this is actually a Knorish Creator Learning Center where they actually teach you everything you need to know by using video. Okay, and it has also some simple FAQ here. In any case, if you have any other questions which is actually not answered here, proceed to raise a support ticket here. Okay, so the Learning Center creates a very good tutorial as well. You can actually take a look here. Okay, we have a support center. Okay, so on the left you can actually see the navigation. There's actually funnel builder, course, user, analytics, transaction, plans and build, website builder, settings, identity and access, and refer and earn. Okay, so I will not be able to go through demo every of the navigation, so I will just do a simple demo. So because if let's say I go through everything, show you every example, it will be a very long video. Okay, so very first thing which I need to do is to create a first course to show you how to create a course easily using Knorish. Okay, so by creating the first course, you can actually either create the course here. Okay, so this is actually the course interface itself. Okay, what you can see in the course interface is actually the first tab here is actually course. You can actually see the number of published course, unpublished course, session, and the chapters. Okay, so you can actually create a new course over here, and also from this tab, the bundle tab, you can actually create a course bundle and offer subscription. Okay, you can also create your live session. You can create a live session here as well. Okay, you can create your course category. You can actually add your course category, or you can actually course library settings. There's also some library settings over here. Okay, you can actually create your settings here. Okay, there's some display settings where you can actually toggle on and off. Okay, so this is actually how your course card design looks like. Right, so all these things you can actually create here. Okay, let's just create your first course by clicking here. Okay, you can create your first course by choosing your first name. Let me just create YouTube course. Okay, so right now you're actually in your course itself. It's actually very plain. So the very first thing you need to do is either you add a session or you can actually add a live session. Okay, let me create a session here, and then you name your first session 1. Okay, so this is your first session. Okay, for your first session you need to add chapters. All right, just create chapters. Okay, for your chapters you just create you name your first chapter as well. Chapter 1. Okay, so for each chapter you can actually either add a video, but remember the video is actually under MP4 format, MWV, AVI, MKV, FLV video file. Or you can actually add a PDF, and you actually embed a code. You can do assessment, live event, or even a page builder. Okay, so in any case, if you need more chapter or session, just add here chapter, Okay, you can have another chapter, like maybe chapter 2. Or if you already finish your first session for 2 chapters, you can create an additional section. Okay, so you can just create an additional section. Let me just put here section 2. And also maybe for this session you only have 1 chapter. You can just put chapter 3. Okay, so once your course is actually built here, once it's done, you can add more session here or more chapter here. It's really up to you. Okay, so you just press next. Okay, so right now you're actually in the publish tab here. You can add an image for your course, or you can actually re-edit your course name. Okay, so from here you can actually set some simple settings as your course language, your course reader level, okay, your course price. I don't know, I'm not so sure why is it in India. And right now, yeah, you can actually set your price. Maybe I just set this 100 in USD. You can actually set this as visible to public. You can toggle it off and on, and set it as a feature course. You can actually toggle it off and on. You can actually create your course category, okay, and you can actually set the course expiry in days, certificate download. You can actually do a checkout redirect. You can toggle off and on. You can actually limit the course sales. You can actually limit the course sales by toggling off and on as well. You can actually set the course sales. Okay, you can actually enable chat here. Okay, you can also show your assessment results as well. Okay, so once all these are done, go ahead and publish your course. So right now your course is actually published. Okay, so you can actually go to the landing page. Okay, you can actually add a landing page for your course as well. Okay, you can actually install a theme. Alright, so once your course is done, the next one which I want to show you is actually the funnel builder. Okay, so for funnel builder, there's actually 2 types of funnel. One is landing page funnel, and the other one is webinar funnel. So for this demo, let me show you how to do your landing page funnel. Okay, so the very first thing you need to do is name your funnel as YouTube. Okay, and what's next is you can actually see is actually step by step. Okay, total there's actually 6 steps here. I'm going to show you everything. Okay, by creating the funnel builder. So you actually need to add your course. So this is your course which we created earlier on. Okay, you can also create a landing page. Okay, let me just show you how to create a landing page. Okay, so if you don't have any landing page here, okay, which I actually created earlier on, so let me show you how to create a landing page here. Okay, so this is actually your landing page. Okay, enter page name to search on. You do not have any landing page earlier on, so let me create a new page so you can actually see. Okay, you can actually show the page type of landing page, course page or bundle page. Let me just create page, YouTube page, enter slug, title for SEO. Let me just type in YouTube, description for SEO, keyword for SEO, header. You can actually add a header code, footer code. Okay, you can actually enter the custom footer code as well, and template for blog. You can actually start empty. You can actually use this. Okay, you can actually use this template. You can just click all this there. Okay, and just save. Okay, all these are saved. Okay, you can actually go back to the funnel builder. Okay, so the funnel which actually we built earlier on, we can just create the funnel which we built earlier on. So your landing page, you can actually add in your page. Earlier on we use YouTube page and click into that. So I already added a page. Once you click into here, you will go to third step. Okay, third step is actually landing page URL. You optimize your URL. I optimize the page for SEO. So you just click here. If not, you can just edit the SEO here. Okay, so the 4th step is actually promote your page. Okay, you can actually promote your page either Facebook, LinkedIn or Twitter. Okay, so if you have already done this step, you just click here, or you can skip the step, or you can actually do it later. Okay, let's take example. I already done this step. Okay, So there's also some integrating marketing tools. You can actually add in Facebook Pixel, Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics. So once you add all these things, you can actually create this. Okay, or you can actually launch your apps, either Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, or Instagram. Okay, and in any case you don't know how to launch app, you can actually click here to learn more. Okay, once all these steps is done, you can actually publish your funnel. Okay, so right now your funnel is actually published. Okay, so moving on, I will actually show you other navigation tab. All right, so you can actually see the funnel builder tab. I already showed it to you, and also the cost. So you can actually see user. You can actually add other user as well. You can actually see the number of user here. Okay, and this is actually the number of user you can actually see here. You can actually show under daily, monthly, or yearly, and you can actually change the date range. Today, yesterday, last 7 days, last 30 days, this month, last month, last 1 year, or you can actually add your custom range. Okay, you can actually import your user as well. Okay, you can import your user via add CSV file, or you can actually manually add your user here by adding their name, email, mobile number, or you can actually assign them to a course or do not assign them, or you can actually send an invitation to create a new password. Okay, so for some analytics here, you can actually see the user engagement, the traffic. Okay, you can actually see the analytics. You can actually see the user engagement. Okay, the number of engaged user. Okay, you can actually change everything here, whichever you want to see. Okay, so from there you can actually see the traffic. Okay, so some analytics, you can actually see the user engagement, traffic. For some transaction, you can see your earning. Okay, you can see your refund. You can see the number of refund, the number of earnings. Okay, the number of refund. Okay, the number of payout, the GST, the coupon. Okay, then you can actually go to plan and buildings as well. This is actually my plan. All right, and also a website builder. Okay, you can actually see a website builder, which we actually did a page earlier on. You can actually create a blog post, menu manager, site settings, file manager, themes, custom code. So there's other settings as well. You can actually edit your organization. You can actually change your organization. All right, and you can actually do a sign up or login. Apps builder, you can actually create your apps over here as well. Okay, but you need to upgrade your plan. Okay, there's actually app builder for Android, Apple, and you can actually see your apps home screen. Okay, in order to build your apps, you need to upgrade your plan. Okay, so you actually have some block settings, notification, contact message, email pipeline. Okay, this is actually your email pipeline. All right, so there's actually tons of things which you can actually use Knorish for. Okay, so email pipeline, and you can actually see some integration. Okay, you need to upgrade your plan. There's also integration. You can actually do a payment gateway as well. PayPal, Stripes, Razorblade. All right, Paytm. Okay, Instamojo. Okay, this is actually the payment gateway. And you see also some marketing tabs: Facebook Pixel, Google Tab, Google Analytics, and MailChimp email marketing. Okay, and for CMS, okay, you see CMS is actually using Hashtag. Okay, and Zapier for some integration, Pebblely connects, some single sign-on SSO, and the rest of the API. Okay, so this is actually the integration. Actually have some template, URL redirect. Okay, you actually redirect your URL here, and identity and access. Okay, if you need to publish more course or manager, you can also upgrade your plan. All right, and refer and earn. Okay, you can actually set your referral link and you should promote. Okay, your course itself from here. You can actually have a refer academy, refer earning, refer payout, refer refund, refer access. Okay, you can actually ask people to promote your course as well. So this is actually the tab itself. Okay, so Basically, this is actually a quick demo. I will not be able to explain everything here. You can see there's actually tons of functions, which is actually what you need. It's actually all in one course itself. Okay, so this is actually a Knorish platform itself. Okay, I hope you have a better understanding how to use Knorish, although this is a quick demo. Alright, so this is actually an Appsumo deal. Okay, let me show you the deal itself. The deal itself right now is actually for the very first tier is $89 when you actually have one author. Okay, all the functions included, all the startup plan features. Okay, then if you want to upgrade, you can actually upgrade to second tier at $179. Okay, it has up to 5 author and full white labeling. And if you want to upgrade to more author, you can actually upgrade to a price of $279 at one-time price. Okay, this is actually an alternative product called Kajabi. Okay, for Kajabi, it is actually a monthly plan. If let's say you are a course creator, influencer, okay, and if you use Kajabi, you will actually have a higher cost because it's a monthly plan. But right now, if you use Knorish, okay, it's actually a one-time plan for the very first tier, 89, 179, or 279. Actually, there's no monthly fee at all. Okay, and I will put, if you are interested in using Knorish itself, I will put a link in my description box. Go ahead and use my link and do the purchase. Okay, we will not affect your purchasing price at all. I will actually have a small cut of commission. Okay, this is actually to support my brand new channel itself. All right, so and I hope you actually learn a bit, learn more things about Knorish itself. And if you love to see more software review, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and also to hit the notification bell. All right. So I will just end this video here to keep the video short. So to the next review, I will see you. Take care. Goodbye.